Question to for you, sabi dito. Kung isa kang bulaklak, ay hindi, kung isang bulaklak ang kalagayan ng puso mo ngayon, anong flower ito at bakit?
Damang-dama ang love ngayong afternoon.
Hindi ko yung tanong ha. O, Jenny, gusto mo yung papel? Basahin mo.
Grabe pong Miss Universe! Hindi lavender na rin. Kasi, pero hindi talaga lavender. So,
Hindi talaga lavender.
Hindi. Siguro sunflower.
Why?
Kasi nakakita na ng liwanag.
Oh my!
Mic drop.
Thank you for that wonderful question.
May gusto mong sumagot?
Yun ang kabul
Salamat po
ka.
sa pagpunta niyo dito. Mga nag-focus sa akin.
Okay, next question.
Pagbigyan mo ulit ako. Jericho, iba ka today. Saan ang gagaling kakaibang saya?
Hindi, ito magandang tanong kay Eko. Anong favorite flower mo, Eko?
Sige, dalawang yun.
Sunflower po.
Saan ang gagaling kakaibang saya? Sobra ka nag-share ng sobra na we never saw you this before. Pero ngayon, ang saya-saya ng mo, Echo.
Kay Jogging.
Sorry, may press ko pala. Ano po yan?
Saan gagaling kakaibang saya mo ngayong araw? Ngayon, of late, from the junket.
Ako ba, Eric?
Hindi, siya. Camera mo.
This guy namin sa akin. I'm just feeling very happy. On the professional side, I'm so happy to be with these guys right now. My team is here, they're so happy, and I love them. But on the personal side, all of these people that I work with love her.
Oh my God,
So, it just feels like, you know what I mean? Everything just feels like, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
So, we're professionals on set. We can joke about it off screen, but when we start there, so it's just like there's a really good balance.
Echo, just stay happy. We're so happy for you, I swear.